swap that chandelier with that one and put that one where the other one was, which was there. Only problem is they're different sizes. So the other one is a much bigger base and it's damaged the ceiling, so I've got to repair the ceiling there and paint it yellow. Right, now the weight of the chandelier is a lot more than the previous one, and I was noticing that just by putting a bit of force on the attachment it was pulling the ceiling board down. So unfortunately the situation is that the whole chandelier is resting on one piece of wood on a ceiling board, so that's not going to be strong enough. So I'm going to have to put this brace across here first before I can comfortably hang a chandelier on here. So I'm just going to screw this to that block of wood, and this is spanning from these battens, and that will take up the weight of the heavy chandelier. Right, now that base piece of wood is now screwed onto or attached to this batten that has got 3 75mm posies screwed down into it, which will give it more than enough purchase to grip and be safe. So now we can go down and attach the chandelier without any concerns of this antique and very complicated and pricey ceiling to repair. So that's crisis averted. Right, chandelier is working. Now I've got to get the other one up.